Good morning everybody and welcome back to the lovely blue skies of South Yorkshire. Don't be mistaken though, because it is absolutely freezing. I think temperature at minutes about 2 degrees. As you can see from roofs, there's plenty of frost about. I've got woolly hat on, coat, hat, scarf, gloves, everything. I just really wanted to get a quick video while skies were clear, just to give you an idea of where sun tracks over near back of our house. It comes up over that direction and it comes up over the top here and it just skims across top of them houses. So it literally, as it gets to here about 10 o'clock in the morning, 10:30, it just starts to get top half at panels, and then it comes over, and then when it gets to about 12 o'clock it gets to about here, and that's when it gets full panels, and it gets full panels for about an hour before it just starts to go over behind this tree then, and that's where it starts to drop off, and then it goes all the way over and then drops off over here then behind these houses. So my job for today, at some point while it's nice, I need to get this charger and put it up here, and I need to get the plug and fasten plug up here somewhere as well, or it might be up here, I haven't decided yet, but I just need to get it all fastened up and all wires tidied up and everything. I run new cable through for my grid tie to power my transfer switch, because the cable were a bit thinner, and because of I'm going to be pulling potentially 1 kilowatt of power, I wanted to make a thicker cable. I do have my son with me today. He's 7, I've got him for the weekend, so I don't know how much I'll get to film because he's just literally non-stop. But I will try to get as much as I can on film, and I also have a smart shunt from Victron that I need to be installing today, so that'll go down here on bottom somewhere. I've managed to get the Raspberry Pi 4 to run the Victron VRM software, so I'll be able to monitor it remotely as well, so I've got the cables for that to swap that over as well, so all good, happy days.